Try-5 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Listen to this though, underneath the hood, 5.7 liter LS6. Yes, it has the number 243 passenger side head casting on it. Also supercharged, Vortec supercharger paired up with that. Automatic transmission with overdrive, 4L60. Go ahead and take a look at the front chrome, grille, headlight surrounds. And yes, paint does show well on this one, as you can see. Nice reflection. Now, if you want to check out that engine bay, check out all the still pictures, probably over 100 still pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a Corvette 5-spoke chrome wheel. Look like C6 wheels. And you can see the bright work along the side of the car. Also nice shape. White interior, bucket seats up front, power seats. That's what these controls are for right there, power seats. I'll pop the hood at the end of this video so you can see that too, and we'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's one thing I wanted to show you here. There is a few spots where it's touched up on this fender and door gap. You'll see, and I don't even know if you can really get it to show up. A little bit there and down there. Wanted to point that out. Again, do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. Of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. All right, let's take a look at the rear chrome. As you can see, dual exhaust. Looks like Flowmasters, according to the tips. And again, there'll be underside picks, so you'll be able to see the exhaust on those. Engine bay, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. Little touch-up spot down here. Be one of those cars, have fun, get in, turn the key and go. A little bit of a sleeper too. Not a lot of Tri-5s running around with an LS6 with a Vortec supercharger paired up with it. Look at the rear seats. Or rear seat, I should say. Front seats, since they're buckets. Door panels. Nice red and white combination interior to go along with the exterior. Take a look at the headliner. 6x9s in the rear deck, has an aftermarket retro sound style radio to it, and that is in working order. There's a note too, there's a couple switches down underneath the left here. One's for an electric fan, one's for the interior lighting. Classic instrument gauges. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Of course, fuel injected starts right up. I have had the radio working. Of course, you get the power on. That tune to a station will come in. So the radio is working. Disc changer underneath the dash. Look at the rest of this dash. Listen to this rumble. Wow. This car will turn some heads, the way it looks and the way it sounds. Listen to that. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open And let's check out this engine bay. So look at the underside of the hood. So aluminum radiator. There's that Vortex supercharger. Willwood brakes, get power brakes, power steering, disc brakes all the way around. This is an LS6. Check out that engine bay, wow. And this is a true Bel Air. You see in the bin at the beginning. Looking for a fun Tri-5? There you go. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop. That LS6 underneath the hood, Vortex supercharger, automatic with overdrive. Man, would this car be fun. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. This one's been done up with a couple modern touches. Steering is a good ratio. You don't have to turn many times. Modern gauges. Modern radio. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry. And we wash our cars so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a very powerful car, yet still easy to drive and comfortable. The wipers are working. Go straight down the road. I'm not pulling either direction. No strange wheel vibrations or jiggles. This car sounds really good. Definitely want to check this car out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or in our showroom in Mankato, Minnesota. We'll take this roundabout and do one more acceleration. This corner is very good. Very good acceleration. One thing about the speedometer, it's reading 30 right now. I feel like it's probably about 50. So the speedometer is not accurate. Oil pressure is showing almost 50. Volts are showing 14. Fuel is almost empty. Temperature is about 190. It does have a switch for a cooling fan. It's currently off because it's cold outside and we're warming it up. But it has not got over the 195 mark.